Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connections right away. Then click on the switcher next to Bluetooth if it's not already on, and click on Bluetooth next to the switcher. Now just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear right next to the device and tap on Unpair at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!